In today's video, we're diving into something that could make your cleaning routine a whole lot easier and a whole lot cheaper. We're counting down the top 5 best budget robot vacuums of 2024. So, if you're looking to keep your home spotless without breaking the bank, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Number 1. The Roborock Q5 is an impressive budget-friendly robot vacuum, known for its efficient cleaning performance and smart navigation capabilities. Equipped with powerful 2,700 pascal suction, it tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair on multiple surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. The Q5's advanced LiDAR navigation enables precise mapping, allowing it to adapt to your home layout and create custom cleaning routes, making sure every nook and cranny is covered. One standout feature is its compatibility with the Roborock app, which allows you to control cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and adjust suction power directly from your phone. The Q5 also supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it even easier to control without lifting a finger. Its 5,200 mAh battery provides up to 180 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, covering large spaces efficiently. For those with pets or high-traffic areas, the Roborock Q5's multi-level mapping and powerful brush roll make it ideal for maintaining cleanliness without much hassle. Though lacking mopping functions, it's a reliable, high-value choice for those focused on vacuuming. The Roborock Q5 combines performance, smart tech, and affordability, making it one of the best robot vacuums in its price range. Number 2. The iRobot Roomba 675 is a popular and affordable choice for those seeking a reliable entry-level robot vacuum. With its 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, the Roomba 675 efficiently tackles dust, dirt, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. While it doesn't boast the most advanced navigation, its suite of sensors allows it to navigate around furniture and avoid stairs, providing solid coverage for most spaces. One of the standout features of the Roomba 675 is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which lets you control cleaning schedules and check the status via the iRobot Home app. You can also start or stop cleaning with voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, making it an ideal choice for hands-free convenience. With a battery life of up to 90 minutes, the Roomba 675 is well suited for small to medium-sized homes. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock for recharging, ensuring it's always ready for the next clean. Although it lacks advanced mapping and zone cleaning features, the Roomba 675 delivers dependable cleaning and simplicity at a budget-friendly price, making it an excellent option for first-time robot vacuum users. Number 3. The Eufy RoboVac 11s Max is a highly rated, budget-friendly robot vacuum known for its quiet operation and slim design. At only 2.85 inches tall, the RoboVac 11s Max easily slips under furniture, reaching areas many other vacuums can't. It's designed with a powerful 2,000 pascal suction strength, making it effective at picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. This model operates quietly, even at max suction, which is ideal for users who want cleaning without disruptive noise. The RoboVac 11s Max uses BoostIQ technology to automatically increase suction power when it detects carpet, ensuring a thorough clean on all surfaces. Its large 0.6L dustbin also allows it to cover more area without needing frequent emptying. Though it lacks smart mapping or app control, it comes with a remote, allowing users to set schedules and control cleaning modes. It offers up to 100 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, and it returns to its dock to recharge when needed. The Eufy RoboVac 11s Max is a perfect choice for those seeking an affordable, powerful, and easy-to-use robot vacuum for day-to-day floor maintenance. Number 4. The iLife V3s Pro is a budget-friendly robot vacuum with a design tailored specifically for pet owners and those with hard floors. Its standout feature is its pet-focused cleaning system, which effectively tackles pet hair, dirt, and dust without tangling. Unlike traditional roller brushes, the V3s Pro relies on a powerful suction inlet, making it less prone to clogging and perfect for households with pets. With a slim design at just under 3 inches in height, it can easily glide under furniture, reaching spots that traditional vacuums often miss. Its simple, no-frills functionality means it doesn't have app control or Wi-Fi, but it comes with a remote, allowing users to schedule cleanings and switch between auto, edge, and spot cleaning modes. It also features anti-bump and anti-fall sensors, helping it avoid obstacles and stairs effectively. The V3s Pro offers a battery life of up to 90 to 100 minutes, ideal for small to medium-sized homes. When it's done cleaning or running low on battery, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Overall, the iLife V3s Pro provides reliable, efficient cleaning at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for pet owners and budget-conscious users alike. Number 5. The Eufy RoboVac 25C is an affordable and effective robot vacuum, popular for its convenience and solid cleaning performance. With 1,500 Pascal suction power, the RoboVac 25C is capable of picking up dirt, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and low-pile carpets, making it a versatile option for most homes. Its slim profile, just under 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under furniture, effectively covering areas that are often hard to reach. One of the standout features of the RoboVac 25C is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows users to control it via the Eufy Home app or through voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Through the app, you can easily set cleaning schedules, start or stop cleaning, and control the vacuum remotely, adding a level of convenience that's hard to beat in this price range. The RoboVac 25C also features Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when it moves onto carpet, ensuring a deeper clean. With up to 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it can handle medium-sized spaces with ease. For those seeking a budget-friendly robot vacuum with smart features and solid performance, the Eufy RoboVac 25C is an excellent choice.